flowers bloom, your voice whispers like the monsoon. 1,000 songs you sing to me, drenched in love, it sets me free. Every night under the starlit sky, your melody makes my heart fly. With every note I feel your touch, 1,000 songs saying so much. 1,000 love songs in your voice, in your grace I find my choice. Every lyric a gentle breeze, singing me into sweet ease. In the mountains where the rivers flow, your tune carries where the winds go. 1,000 dreams within each verse, your love is my soul's converse. Soft echoes in the moonlit night, 1,000 times you sing delight. Wrapped in your tunes, no room for pain. 1,000 songs in sweet refrain. In the quiet of a dawn's embrace, your songs paint light on my face. 1,000 whispers in my ear, singing of love endlessly dear. In the valley where the flowers bloom, your voice whispers like the monsoon. 1,000 songs you sing to me, drenched in love, it sets me free. Every night under the starlit sky, your melody makes my heart fly. With every note I feel your touch, 1,000 songs saying so much. 1,000 love songs in your voice, in your grace I find my choice. Every lyric a gentle breeze, singing me into sweet ease. In the mountains where the rivers flow, your tune carries where the winds go. 1,000 dreams within each verse, your love is my soul's converse. Soft echoes in the moonlit night, 1,000 times you sing delight. Wrapped in your tunes, no room for pain. 1,000 songs in sweet refrain. In the quiet of a dawn's embrace, your songs paint light on my face. 1,000 whispers in my ear, singing of love endlessly dear. Every lyric a gentle breeze, singing me into sweet ease. In the mountains where the rivers flow, your tune carries where the winds go. 1,000 dreams within each verse, your love is my soul's converse. you sing delight. Wrapped in your tunes, no room for pain. 1,000 songs in sweet refrain. In the quiet of a dawn's embrace, your songs paint light on my face. 1,000 whispers in my ear, singing of love endlessly.